Today we're looking at part number 7-95. This is the 1/2 inch by 20 by 4.5 inch long grade 5 keeper bolt for your equalizers. So let's just check it out. We're going to measure it real quick. So the diameter is going to be 1/2 inch and the overall length of it is going to be 4.8 inches. And the head on it is going to be 0.83 inches. And this bolt will go inside the equalizer. I have an equalizer right here. It goes in this small hole for your spring, just like that. And you can just visit trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.